Here you go. Go ahead.
What's going on, man? I've been running clean culture for 20 years behind the scenes. These my events, I do everything. I put the work in. Niggas know what's going on, man. Okay, Q, yeah. That's it.
Hey man, it's your boy ABB, man. We outside. Y'all see the whips out here, man. Hey, where y'all at? Y'all should have been here. Y'all missing out. No cap.
We ain't gonna show y'all what he in. Y'all can't see it because it's exclusive. Y'all gotta wait. I know, but y'all don't know yet. We ain't gonna, don't reveal too much. Don't reveal too much.
I ain't gonna tell him nothing. I ain't gonna tell him. But you don't put on it's crack on. That's bad. You the only one I know. Literally.
Somebody like my track I got here.
God, I like it. I like the.
Everybody else has been walking by. I don't think they like it, man. I hate to say, I get a drag of the year. Give me a year to drag to be back out here popping. 2024, late 2024, the drag gonna be here.
Ain't got no holes in me. I be quick to run up, let it pop. That's just the O in me. Rest in peace to Silk from Ada Park. That was the O to me. Goofy got shot right up in his top. His brother told on me. Couldn't get a bond. I set it out. They put that hold on me.
Hey, put in.
I'm trying to get you out the way real quick. I'm about to bring you in, but I'm trying to figure out where. I think I'm
That's what I'm saying. Where can you put it in? I'm gonna put it hard.
But let me get. Let me just have him pull like right here until we figure it out, so he ain't blocking.
Yeah, so just pull right here.
Spray, bro.
Hey,
Drop side out.
You want a spray?
Over here. This side,
hey, you want some spray?
yeah.
Hey, Dustin, you want to get some spray for the video? Hold on. Hey, hit him. for what?
You gotta get his ND filter right.
Right now it's only making, it's not right now. Yeah, I ain't yet. That's making 1,000 now. My M6, yeah. That's making like right around 650. It's only stock for now though. I want to see if I can get a thousand in this too so I can race it.
I saw a Jeep the other day, and he acted like he wanted to smoke. I looked to my left, I saw the yellow brakes, and I said, never mind.
Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Got a marijuana gun, head horse, got a young easy, pull it, no, got a fish,
I found it immediately. But I wanted to go red out, but it didn't matter to me because you know what I'm fuck out of it. For you, yeah. For anybody who's just gonna be, yeah. If I wanted to keep it stock, red out all day. I wouldn't even waste my time. Just let me get some content. Don't play with him, man. We ain't gonna show y'all what he is. Y'all can't see it because it's exclusive. Y'all gotta wait. I know, but y'all don't know yet. We ain't gonna, don't reveal too much. Don't reveal too much.
I ain't gonna tell him nothing. I ain't gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell you what, this right here is crazy right now. You know, you're known for the orange car, right? We already know what you do with that. But you don't put on this crack on that's bad. You're the only one I know, literally.
Somebody like my track car guy here.
God, I like it. I like the
everybody else been walking by. I don't think they like it, man.
Because it's not orange. The orange part.
Now I gotta go wrap it on.
When this go orange, it's gonna be like, oh, he got a black car. When you do that,
that's true.
You know what I'm saying? I like this.
Wait till give me like 3 more weeks. Watch this. 3 more weeks. 3 more weeks. That's all I'm asking.
Yeah, 3 more weeks.
3 more weeks. Watch this. Watch how it comes.
This is already top notch, right? You got the Dragon. The Dragon is already in the garage too.
The Dragon.
You know, you posted that video. You ain't had no interior in there. We was all ragging on you in the comments. But we know you're gonna do something. You okay, cute.
I hate to say I get a Dragon a year. Give me a year to Dragon be back out here popping. 2024, late 2024, the Dragon gonna be here.
Dragon, Track Hawk.
So this is the Thunderhawk. We got the Thunderhawk,
the 6, the daily,
the 6.
Oh, you know man, you going crazy with it. My God, that's why I'm gonna put you right there. My God.
Taco time.
I can take this for a spin. What's going on with you, man?
Hey, get my boy Avery, man. My boy Avery had to push up, man.
Had seen in person.
Yeah, the Mopar guy. You know how they go. Oh yeah, can you it's only 70% done now. It's 70%
Oh, you good.
I ain't even gonna show folks until I get it complete. It's 70%. That was like work, man. I'm trying to keep up with the legends, man.
I'm trying to keep up with you.
Hey, man, you know. Yeah, I got the 6, I got my daily, I got this motherfucker.
Crazy. Hey, man, okay, Q ain't bullshit, man.
You know how we coming, man. Somebody gotta do it for the Mopar, you know what I'm saying? At my events, a lot of JDMs was coming, so I had to invite all my Mopar. I got the chief donut maker himself, my boy Avery, man. You know what I'm saying? We had to pop out, man, for the Mopars one time, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you popping out. Let me know something, man. I'm out here. It's hard.
Oh, look at the beautiful Audi. I want y'all to know, I'm talking to the mic so y'all can hear me. This car make my coochie moist. Oh God.
I see they put me on memes and things. I'm speaking my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year when it cost me to lead. Don't hold it, just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I flash you.
For y'all that know me, y'all know this the dream car right here. Dream car right here. Make my gooch moist. I'm gonna put it in the mic. It make my gooch moist. All right, let's go inside and see what we can see up in here, man. Got the McLaren. Real sexy like. Sitting in the cut. Y'all saw this. Spitting them gases in the atmosphere. I done seen this car on YouTube somewhere. I can't remember. But I'm for sure gonna look it up later. Super. MK5. MK4 Super. It's a couple of MK4 Supers. Truck slammed to the earth. Audi. Beautiful Audi. Another one. Lambo. Aventador. Another Audi. Wagon. Stupid, dumb, wide body Mustang. I mean, that's wide too. I ain't never seen a booty so juicy. That car got the fight ass, man. TSX, lower, red and two. I've never seen a TSX with a red and two. That's nice. Another TSX. FRS. RX-7. FD. R33. Evo. Alright, let's go back outside, man. Getting high from all the money, getting money fumes. Oh, this line up nasty color. Look at the orange. Oh, you good, you good, you, okay. You good.
Between.
Yeah. R32. 392. Hell Kizzy. Another Hell Kizzy. Orange Hell Kizzy. TRX. Look at all the power over here, man. Oh, this line up nasty color. Look at the orange. Oh, you good, you good, you, okay. You good.
Between.
Yeah. R32. 392. Hell Kizzy. Another Hell Kizzy. Orange Hell Kizzy. TRX. Look at all the power over here, man. Why is your truck gotta be so big, sir? Who are you trying to kill? This Polo? I think this Polo, man. It say Pink Flamingo. So I'm guessing it's Polo. What a thing clean, boy. Alright, it's starting to sprinkle. So I'm gonna leave a little early, plus I'm hungry. And yeah, hungry, wet, cold. Not a good mixture of stuff. I feel like I'll be seeing that car everywhere, but I don't know. But yeah, it's starting to come down.